this lady to explain you about what is retractable pencil.
It's a retractable pencil pull. So these two things work in combination, okay? You just stick your pencil on the end, all right? And you can clip it to the back of your tool belt or to your apron pocket, and you always have a pencil in reach. Now it extends well over 2 feet and it clips easily to anything. Not only does it work on the
So I click on her link
like this here, but it works
and
on
let's see how
other
much.
writing
She said $1.99, but too expensive. Let's try on eBay and see how much it is. Hey, this retractable pencil holder we can find online, but the price is pretty high. It's the cheapest one I found is $6.99, and all of them like pretty expensive. And I don't want to spend a lot, so I searched another term is retractable key holder, keychain or whatever, and I found this guy for just like $1. Keep scrolling down and find to the cheapest one. This one $123. Keep looking. And bingo, this is the one I'm looking for. Just $1. Retractable badge, key holder. $1, guys. Then how you do it? It's long enough for you to do the job on the side. So simple. I tie a rubber band around the pencil, then you have a pencil holder. $1 compared to $6.99, even expensive. This come handy on the side job when you need the pencil and you keep losing it. So let me know what you think. $1.